Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to see and how to check your uptime in your Windows system. I am going to show you three ways how you can easily find out the uptime in your system. Starting from easiest way, first you need to go to the taskbar here. Then you need to click on task manager option, which is this. Now go to performance tab here, which is the second tab, and make sure you are selecting the CPU. If memory is selected, you are not going to see the uptime. Click on CPU, and now you can see the uptime 33 minutes and 10 seconds. This is the uptime. And if you are getting the more options here, then if you are getting from here, so this is going to be the more hours and then days, starting from days and then hours and then minutes and then second. So this is the easiest method. You can try this one. And if you are going to learn something new and going to learn how to check your uptime with the command, so go to here and type here PowerShell. Now you need to right click on this and run as an administrator here. Click on yes when prompt opens. Now you need to copy and paste this command. I'm going to give you this command in the description box. Hit enter, and now you can see the all the details: day 0, minutes 34 minutes and second 6. So this is also the very clear and good method to check your uptime. And now I'm going to show you how you can check your time with the CMD. Close it and go to CMD, right click on it and run as an administrator here as well. Click on yes, and now you need to type here system info like this and wait. Now you need to check here system boot time. This is showing the boot time when you rebooted your system, 8:33 a.m. You can see here the date as well. So this is how you can easily find out your uptime in Windows, whichever version you are using, Windows 11, 8 or 10. So these are the three methods to find out and check your uptime in your Windows. So hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.